So this is the Firework Stash 2013. Move 1 to 1. You pick.
Okay, let's start with the Goliath.
36 shells, 2 tubes, not cardboard. And let's move to the, we got the Excals, #1 in the world.
World class.
That big one.
Yeah, and we have Mr. Happy, Smiley Shot.
You got the black hat?
Here.
It's hard to see it. Oh, there we go.
And then, and
some black cats.
4,000 roll.
Let's hope that just doesn't pop, and then we'll laugh about it.
Yeah, and Loyal to None, 500 gram, heavyweight, and big tubes. Chaos. I don't know how many shot. Here, let me see.
World class too.
World class, yeah. Doesn't say. Oh, 12 shots, 500 gram. We got only one 200 gram.
I'm crazy excited.
Oh yeah, the Chaos. He didn't. Russell, you didn't get Chaos. God
no,
damn.
I did.
And
just didn't see me.
Roman Candle Assorted. We got 12 of them. And Magic Shot, 100 shots. Get out of the way now. Go. And a strip of 300 Saturn Batter Missile. And the last 500 gram. United We Stand. A lot of big shots. And Happy Face Rockets.
Pretty weird.
Really big.
Okay, let's move on to the bag.
Oh, the bag. Yeah, forgot about the bag. Got a pack of sparklers. Hunks.
Okay, good.
Really good stuff. Handling an egg. More snap stuff. More snaps. Snaps. Oh, here, more sparklers.
Yay.
Show you what they look like. Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 2 packs of those.
They look pretty weak.
It is weak. A tank. Just not bad, not good. Oh, what is this? And like an egg. And
What's that?
Space Flyer. Whoa, this is good.
I wonder what it does.
Yeah. Here, put it in the bag.
Oh, wait, we forgot
one
to...
last thing. Ground Bloom with
Ground
Bang. These have support. And thanks for watching the video.
Goodbye. Transition time!